you here?
Getting slaughtered every day. Thanks to all the Zionists and Israelis there. Those Jews, we didn't do any harm to them. But what they're doing to our Islam, our religion, our people, our brothers is very wrong. They should stop that. When we do something like that to them, they shouldn't be doing something like that to us. We are as good here as human as they are.
Why are you here?
About the Gaza attacks.
To the Gaza people, they are killing innocent children who are underage. They are below 16 years, and in that 77% are the children. We are here to protest against Israel.
So you're against Israel and you're protesting against Israel and giving them a sign that you're sending them an indication that they should stop these attacks, right?
Yeah. We are giving the indication to stop the bombarding and free the Palestine, because that is illegal occupation by the Israelis. Actually, they are the Zionism. This is the Zionism which are doing this. This is not any religion, Judaism or any other thing, but this is the political movement by the Zionism who are doing this, or killing the innocent people in the Gaza.
Jazakallahu khairan, brother. Why are you here?
We're supporting the Palestine people. We're against Israel bombing the Gaza Strip. So everyone's saying that we are for peace. We are for peace. So we're asking, what kind of peace are you asking for? So we're all here to protest, showing our support to Palestine. We're making sure that our prayers are also heard for them.
Thank you, brother. Brother, why are you here today?
Today we are here to express our solidarity with our brothers and sisters of Israel, and we don't believe that they are there in the other land. They are a part of us. They are our brothers and sisters, our children, and we have been going through a lot of trouble and injustice at the hands of Zionists. This is in accordance with the Hadith, that if we cannot act, we have to speak, and if we cannot speak, we have to we have to feel for them. So that's why we are here to basically express our support for them.
So what is the one message you want to leave to the people who are watching this video?
Well, I would say that we must all unite on a single ground against injustice.
Whether it be a Muslim or a non-Muslim, whether it's a Muslim country or a non-Muslim country, right, brother?
Well, beat a Muslim, beat a non-Muslim. See, this is not just a case for Muslims. This is a case for all human beings. They are human beings. They are suffering. So we, as human beings, it's our moral obligation to, stand against the injustice. That's what the message is for everybody.
Thank you, brother. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Why are you here, brother, today?
We are here to show our solidarity to the people who are being bombed in Gaza. So it is to show our sense of brotherhood, that we feel the pain, and we want to put whatever pressure is possible from our side to stop this Israel. That's the real reason we are having this. It's a lot of people who are come to the, a lot of people of various faiths and various ideologies. They all come together for this cause. Actually, it's a great initiative.
So, what is the one message you want to leave today, brother, to the Indian government?
We would request the Indian government to boycott Israel in whatever ways, in all the aspects, whatever they could do, in boycott all the relationships, whatever they can, and do not let their products be sold in India. Because India stands for peace. We know that India is a country which wants to have a peaceful relationship with all the country, and we have to stand up for the people of Palestine. And if India takes a strong stance, it will be really amazing for the people of India. Sure.
Jazakallahu khairan, brother. Why are you here, brother?
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಪೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಸರ್?
ಕಾರಣ ಗಾಜಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅನಾಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ದು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅಮಾಯಕ ಜನರ ಮೇಲೆ, ಗಾಜಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಸ್ರೇಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ರಮಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರಷ್ಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು, ಸಹಾಯನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಗಾಜಾ ನಗರವನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇಸ್ರೇಲ್ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ರಮಣವನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿರೋಧಿಸೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಅನೇಕ ಅಮಾಯಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಸಗುಸುಗಳು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಹೆಂಗಸರಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗಂಡಸರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರಳು ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಮಾಯಕರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ದು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪುರುಷತ್ವನೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಶೋಚನೀಯ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಆ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಆ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ನಡೀತಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Today,
we're here to support the cause.
which is that cause? Why are you here? Who's suffering? Who's attacking? Who's
Suffering a lot. The women and children over there, they're extremely innocent. They didn't do anything. They're being bombed out of that area. So they really need all us.
You're here to condemn that act and tell them to
Express our, we're not okay with it. We're just here to express that. We're just here to say that we're not okay with what is happening over there in Gaza. That's why we're here.
Thank you. With cameraman Lukman, this is Adam recording for Dead End Media. Assalamu alaikum.